Hello guys, hello my dear friends. Today I teach you how to make this amount for one day easy and fast. Look at this, my friends. Do you want to make money like me, easy and fast? Today I show you how it's works. Look at this, my friends. This is my official Telegram channel, Shark1x Games, and me, Shark1xBet. If you want this, a real working hack for 1xBet official website for Aviator Crash game. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 9 November 23 years. And let's go, my friends. I want to show you how it's works. Go to the Google Chrome. Shark, go to the 1xBet official website, 1xBet 1x Games, and this is 1xBet official website. You see 1xBet.com. First link, press this. Yes, you see, my friends, official 1xBet website, 1xBet.com. Refresh. Go to the Crash game. Go to the mobile Android phone. Go to the Aviator Predictor application. And look how it's works. 1xBet. Next coefficient 2.09. You see, my friends, this is next coefficient. You see how it's works. It's amazing. It's real work perfect, correct? And place a bet and show you how it's works. 1.58 next coefficient. Yes, you see I win money. It's work perfect. Place the next bet. 5.11. Next coefficient 5.11. Now I show you how I win real good and big money. Look. Amazing, my friends. It's amazing, it's real work perfect. And place the next bet. Next coefficient, guys, 3.008. Look how I win money right now again. Amazing, my friends. This is amazing. It's real work perfect. This is my official Telegram channel and me, guys. If you want this real working hack application for mobile Android phone, Shark1xBet, Shark1x Games, my official Telegram channel. You see, my friends, all this real and work perfect. This is my history from today. You see my balance right now. Go to the personal account, withdraw funds, and I withdraw it to my Visa card. Actual fresh date and fresh time, 9 November 23 years, my friends. You see that? Press confirm, guys. Press OK. And now we just wait when my money withdraws from 1xBet wallet to my Visa card. It's about 1 or 2 minutes. Just wait a little bit, my friends, and my money withdraws. OneXBet.com official website. Refresh my balance. See, my friends, all this real. Just wait when status change to approved. Yeah, status change to approved, guys. My money withdraws. Thank you for view, guys. If you want to make money like me, write me in my official Telegram channel. Bye bye, guys. See you later.